Expo SDK 55 beta just dropped. For the first time ever, legacy architecture isn't just deprecated, it's gone. The new Arc-enable flag doesn't exist anymore, but here's the thing. This release isn't just about removing the old. iOS widgets, native share extensions, brownfield packaging, Expo Blur, new native features in Expo Router. There's a lot shipping. I cover updates from Expo and React Native Field in the Candies Ocean newsletter, links in the description. Let me break down what's actually new. New architecture is the only path forward. React Native 0.83.1 and React 19.2 are the foundation. If you haven't migrated yet, SDK 55 won't work for your project. No escape hash, no legacy fallback. This has been telegraphed since SDK 54, but the deadline is now. The default project template got redesigned. Native Tabs API gives you platform native tab bars on iOS and Android immediately. SF symbols work natively. You can set blur effects, badge colors, even the new iOS 26 minimize behaviors. Application code now lives in source app instead of app, separating business logic from config files. Hermes version 1 is available for opt-in. This is a significant engine upgrade, better performance across scenarios, proper ES6 class support, modern async await handling. Enable it with use Hermes version 1 in Expo build properties. Here's a feature that will save bandwidth: Hermes Bytecode Diffing. Instead of downloading complete bytecode files for every ES update, the client requests binary patches. The estimate is 75% smaller downloads. Updates reach users faster. Expo Widgets is in alpha. You can create iOS home screen widgets and live activities using Expo UI components without writing native Swift. This is different from Ultra. You are building widgets with the same patterns you use for your app. Expo Sharing now supports receiving shared data. A config plugin adds share extensions on iOS and intent filters on Android. Expo Brownfield is new. If you are adding Expo to an existing native app, you can now package your React Native code as an AAR for Android and XA frameworks for iOS. Expo Router gets a stack of native features: Colors API for dynamic material 3 on Android, Apple's interactive zoom transition with shared element gestures, Stack Toolbar API for iOS with UI toolbar menus, experimental split view support. Expo Blur is finally stable on Android. Expo Image now renders SF symbols. In the AI tooling aspect, the MCP server now exposes CLI actions from Expo modules through the menu. The official Expo Skills repository has agent skills tuned for cloud code. I have been using these myself. The upgrade skills are particularly helpful. One quality of life change: every Expo SDK package now matches the SDK version number. Expo Camera in the SDK 55 is version 55.0.0. No more guessing compatibility. To initialize a new project with SDK 55 beta, use the default template. If you wanna upgrade an existing project, run npx expo install expo next fix. That's SDK 55 beta. A lot moved forward. I share React Native and Expo deep dives in the Candies Ocean newsletter. For a structured learning path from zero to production, check out React Native Candies at courses.candiesocean.com. Links pinned in the description.